What?
Making cookies!
Yay!
Yay!
I can't handle your cuteness right now. Shake those booties. Shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em. What's the first step?
Butter.
Butter, that's the first step. Sugar cookie mix. Yeah, Betty Crocker is making our cookies. We're not making them homemade. Some butter.
Butter biscuit.
And
Nolan!
Nolan, no. It's okay. An egg. Hold it back, buddy. Is that it?
Yes.
Good job, guys. Pour the butter.
Mommy sort of crack it.
Make sure we don't get any shells.
I'm waiting my turn.
That's so nice, Nolan.
There.
Sister's turn. You can get a turn in a minute. Okay.
And then the sister's turn. You wanna mix me?
For our cookies, and you guys spread it all around evenly.
Yeah. Oh, they come apart. More. Doing it lately. There. Uh-oh. Mine's coming apart. You're doing a bunch of candy canes. My baby wonder cake. Wait, mommy. I see the notebook. Big cake. Looks like you just bite this head off.
What? We gotta put some icing on it first, buddy.
Do I have red?
I'm good.
I want to taste test. He just hated mine. No, wait. My Christmas tree is gonna be pink. It tastes like bubblegum clear. It's done.
Spread on your cookie. Okay, Ari, I think it's enough on that one.
Get out the red, Nolan. Some.
It's the same kind.
Oh, man. Yes.
Did you do a taste test?
Mommy, go. Gummy.
You have enough sprinkles, buddy. Eat it. Eat it.
Oh, God. super good.
Did you have fun making some cookies?
Yeah.
You guys, this cookies turned out so good.
Let's go, Mommy.
It's good? You're gonna add some more ice.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. You guys, my children are artists. Look at those masterpieces. And if anybody's wondering, this is how they are after the cookies. Aria's right over there.